Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going on a super fun adventure. We are going to learn all about colors and we are going to use yummy fruits and vegetables to help us. Are you ready? Let's go! What color do we see? It's red. Can you say it with me? Ready? Red! Great job! Now, let's look at some yummy red fruits and veggies. Apple. That's red. Strawberry. That's red. Watermelon. That's red. Tomato. That's red too. Wow! So many red things. Can you find something red near you right now? Amazing! Let's give ourselves a big clap. What color do we see? It's orange. Can you say it with me? Ready? Orange. Great job! Now let's look at some yummy orange fruits and veggies. Orange. That's orange. Carrot. That's orange. Pumpkin. That's orange. Peach. That's orange too. Wow! So many orange things. Can you find something orange near you right now? Amazing! Let's give ourselves a big clap. What color do we see? It's yellow. Can you say it with me? Ready? Yellow. Great job! Now let's look at some yummy yellow fruits and veggies. Banana. That's yellow. Lemon. That's yellow. Corn. That's yellow too. Pineapple. That's yellow. Wow! So many yellow things. Can you find something yellow near you right now? Amazing! Let's give ourselves a big clap. What color do we see? It's green. Can you say it with me? Ready? Green. Great job! Now let's look at some yummy green fruits and veggies. Broccoli. That's green. Peas. That's green too. Green apple. That's green. Cucumber. That's green. Wow! So many green things. Can you find something green near you right now? Amazing! Let's give ourselves a big clap. What color do we see? It's purple. Can you say it with me? Ready? Purple. Great job! Now let's look at some yummy purple fruits and veggies. Grapes. That's purple. Plum. That's purple. Blueberries. That's purple too. Eggplant. That's purple. Wow! So many purple things. Can you find something purple near you right now? Amazing! Let's give ourselves a big clap. What color do we see? It's pink. Can you say it with me? Ready? Pink. Great job! Now let's look at some yummy pink fruits and veggies. Pink grapefruit. That's pink. Dragon fruit. That's pink. Radish. That's pink too. Wow! So many pink things. Can you find something pink near you right now? Amazing! Let's give ourselves a big clap. What color do we see? It's white. Can you say it with me? Ready? White. Great job! Now, let's look at some yummy white fruit and veggies. Cauliflower. That's white. Garlic. That's white too. Coconut. That's white inside. Onion. That's white. Wow, so many white things. Can you find something white near you right now? Amazing. Let's give ourselves a big clap. What color do we see? It's brown. Can you say it with me? Ready? Brown. Great job. Now let's look at some yummy brown fruit and veggies. Potato, that's brown. Mushroom, that's brown too. Dates, that's brown. Pear, that's brown on the outside. Wow, so many brown things. Can you find something brown near you right now? Amazing. Let's give ourselves a big clap. Wow, we learned so many colors today. Let's go through them one more time. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink, white, brown. You are so smart. I'm so proud of you. You did such an amazing job today, friends. You know all your colors now. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss our next adventure. See you next time. Bye.